Did you know there's a vegetable that grows fast, sells year round, and needs almost no maintenance? Yes, it's the humble ivy gourd, or as we call it, Tindora, Kovakkai, or Kundru. Welcome to Discover Agriculture, where we explore innovative and sustainable farming practices. In today's video, we are diving into the world of ivy gourd farming, a super productive and profitable crop that thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. Loved for its versatility and nutrition, this little vine can become a big income source for farmers. Let's see how you can grow it successfully. Ivy gourd loves warm weather between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius and grows best in humid or semi-arid regions. Use well-drained loamy or sandy soil with a pH of 6 to 7. Avoid waterlogging. These plants prefer sunshine, not soggy soil. This crop is usually grown from stem cuttings about 50 to 20 centimeter long. Choose healthy, disease-free vines and plant them at the onset of the monsoon or in spring with irrigation. Keep 2 to 3 meters between rows and 1.5 to 2 meters between plants for healthy growth. Ivy gourd loves to climb, so support it with bamboo stakes or wire mesh. Before planting, plow the field well and mix in organic compost or farmyard manure. Water regularly at first, then reduce frequency once plants establish. Too much water can harm the roots. Watch out for aphids and whiteflies. A natural spray of neem oil works great. For diseases like powdery mildew or root rot, ensure good drainage and use disease-free cuttings. You can start harvesting 3 to 4 months after planting. Pick fruits when they are tender, around 2 to 3 inches long. Regular harvesting encourages new growth, giving up to 10 to 15 tons per acre annually. Ivy gourd enjoys steady demand all year. You can sell fresh produce in local markets to retailers or even export. Plus, value-added products like pickles and dried slice can boost your income further. Ivy gourd farming is truly a low-investment, high-return venture for both beginners and professionals. It's easy to grow, nutritious, and always in demand. Perfect crop for sustainable profit. Thank you for watching Discover Agriculture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.